Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the search engine in Chrome app on iPhone. So by default, if you perform any search, the Chrome app will automatically display the Google search results. And if you want to change it to something else, what you can do is you can tap on these three dot options here, and within this top panel, you would have to go to settings, and under the settings, you have this option search engine. Just choose that, and right now it is set to Google. So if you want, you can change it to Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo or Yandex. So for me, I would be able to choose DuckDuckGo and hit on done. Now if I perform any search even in the address bar, so it should open in DuckDuckGo. Say suppose I open Wikipedia. Now you would be able to see that the results are coming from DuckDuckGo. So in this way you can change the search engine in Chrome app. Please hit that like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.